If you're thinking about buying Writesonic, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll dive into the platform's features, pricing, and how it stacks up against competitors in the generative AI space. So stay tuned until the end to make an informed choice. First, Writesonic is known for its versatility in creating content. Whether you're writing blogs, ads, or even product descriptions, it's designed to handle a wide range of copywriting tasks. But how does it compare to other tools like Jasper or Copy.ai? Well, Writesonic provides a similar range of templates, but with an emphasis on simplicity. If you're just starting out or want something easy to use, it might be perfect for you. Next thing to note is the pricing structure. Writesonic offers both a free plan and several paid tiers. While the free plan is great for trying out the tool, the paid options start to get pricey if you need access to more advanced features, such as higher word limits or the ability to create long-form content. This is where it falls short compared to competitors like Jasper, which, though more expensive, offers unlimited word generation at higher price points. The third thing to consider is its AI quality. Writesonic is built on GPT-3, which means it's capable of generating high-quality content, but it's not always as sharp as Jasper or Copy.ai, which are often considered to have better refinement in their outputs. If you need top-tier quality, you might notice a slight difference in tone and relevance, but for many tasks, it still performs really well. Moving on, another important factor is its user interface. Writesonic has a clean, simple interface that's easy to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, it's designed to keep the writing process straightforward. But when compared to tools like Copy.ai, some users find it slightly less intuitive, especially for those looking for more customization options. The fifth thing to mention is Writesonic's integrations. Unlike some of its competitors, it integrates with tools like Zapier, WordPress, and Surfer SEO. This is a plus if you're trying to streamline your content creation process or automate your workflow. But if you're heavily relying on integrations, you may find that competitors offer a wider range of options. Next, let's talk about its long-form content capabilities. Writesonic has an AI-driven long-form editor, but it's not as polished as Jasper's. While it can help you draft long pieces, you may need to do more editing and tweaking to get it to match your desired style. If long-form content is your focus, you might want to explore other options that offer more powerful AI content generation. The seventh thing to know is the quality of customer support. Writesonic offers 24/7 support, but some users have reported slower response times compared to competitors like Copy.ai. The support is adequate, but if you're someone who needs quick assistance, this could be a consideration. Next thing, let's talk about content plagiarism. Writesonic has built-in plagiarism checks, which is a feature that's really important for content creators. However, keep in mind that no plagiarism checker is foolproof. So, if you're generating highly unique content, you may still need to verify it with a separate plagiarism tool. The ninth thing you should know is that Writesonic is still a growing tool. While it's reliable for most copywriting tasks, there's room for improvement in terms of AI refinement and feature depth. This might be an issue if you're looking for a more established platform that has ironed out all the kinks. Next, the platform offers SEO-focused tools, which is a great feature for marketers looking to optimize their content. You can run SEO audits and even create SEO-friendly articles directly within the platform. While this isn't unique to Writesonic, it's a useful feature for those needing to optimize their content for search engines. The 11th point is its speed. Writesonic's AI is fairly quick at generating content, but when compared to some competitors, the output time can be slightly slower, especially with the free plan. If you need to pump out content at a fast pace, keep this in mind when deciding whether it's the right tool for you. Lastly, Writesonic is a great tool for those on a budget who don't need top-tier AI output. It provides decent value for the price, especially for basic content needs. However, if you want more advanced features and sharper AI, there are better options available, such as Jasper. In conclusion,